Everything new again, everything that I'd owned, I threw it out the windows, came along. Extreme waves I know will part the colors of my sea, perfect color me. Extreme waves that held me out late at night. Extreme places I had gone, but never seen any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this.